do I pay my electricity bill on EG payment? To pay your electricity bill on EG payment, you have to tap on electricity option, which is available on recharge and bill payment section on EG payment home screen. Now, select your state and service provider. Kindly enter the necessary details as requested by your service provider in next step. Now, tap on bill fetch to know your bill details like customer name, bill amount, bill date and due date. Please check the details carefully and tap on submit. Now you have to enter your 4-digit MPIN. Your bill payment will be successful instant. Bill payments on EG payment are usually success instant. However, in rare cases, it may take longer than usual to be completed. If you see your bill payment pending on EG payment, it means that we are waiting for a confirmation from your electricity provider. Please wait for a few hours for your bill payment to be completed. You can check the history section of your app for the final status of your payment. Your electricity provider will take 3 to 4 days to update your bill payment on their portal. You can check the final status on the portal after 3 or 4 days. Kindly note that you always have to pay for your electricity bill on or before the due date. In this case, you will not be charged any late fees, even if your electricity provider takes time to complete the bill payment. You cannot cancel a bill payment once you initiate a request on EG payment. There is no need to worry. If you paid your electricity bill payment 2 times, the extra amount will be adjusted in the next billing cycle. You cannot cancel it or get a refund of your bill payment once it is completed. If you have paid electricity bill of someone else by mistake, you cannot cancel it after it be successful. If you have paid a bill incorrectly, we request you to contact your electricity provider for assistance. If you will be unable to find your electricity provider may not be listed on EG payment yet. We are constantly updating the available electricity providers. Please check the app regularly for updation. If you still have any query, contact our customer support.